Image of a point in a plane. Now we have to find the coordinates, we have to drive the formula how we are going to find the coordinates for the image of a point. Now let us first define it. Now I have just drawn a figure here. Now definition. Now what this means? A very simple thing. Okay, now let point P and Q, I am just writing PQ, let PQ be a this point PQ, P and Q, let PQ be 2 points and pi be a plane, or we can say that P and Q represents 2 points and pi represents this plane. This whole plane is, we are mentioning it as a pi. Now let PQ be 2 points and pi be a plane such that, now what are the conditions? Such that number 1, is line PQ is perpendicular to pi. Number 1, line PQ should be perpendicular to pi, and number 2, midpoint of PQ lies on the plane pi, and midpoint I have mentioned here, that is R. PQ is perpendicular to the plane and point R is the midpoint of PQ which lies on the plane. Okay. Now if these two conditions are satisfied, then either of the point is the image of other. Suppose we are given coordinates of P, then Q will be its image. We are given coordinates of Q, then P can be the image, and this we have to find it. Okay. Now let us write it. To find image of point P, and let coordinates of P are x1, y1 and z1. To find the image of point P with coordinates given and equation of plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Algorithm approach to find the image of point P, or we can write it to find the coordinates of the point Q. Now step 1. Now step 1 is, for now coordinates of P are given to us, equation of plane pi is given to us. Now we have to find the coordinates of point Q. So what steps we are going to write it? Let us discuss this. Now step 1, write the equation of the line passing through normal to the given plane as x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c, say is equal to lambda. First step. Second step, now step 2. Write the coordinates of image Q, and the coordinates will be from this point. So, x is equal to what? x1 plus lambda a. Okay. So, we are writing, either you can write it a plus lambda x1, sorry, a lambda plus x1. So, we are writing x1 plus lambda a, y1 plus lambda b, and z1 plus lambda c. Now, step 3. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of PQ, say R. By midpoint formula you can write it. Step 4. Now what we got it? We got first of all equation of a line, then we have coordinates of the image Q, then find the coordinates of the midpoint of PQ, say R. You can write it using midpoint formula. Now step 4, now we have to obtain the value of lambda. Okay. Now obtain the value of lambda by putting coordinates of R in the equation of plane. Last step, put value of lambda in the coordinates of point Q. Now this was image of a point in a plane. Now next can be, after this we can have, if we have to find the distance of PQ, then last step can be to find the distance. Just find the using the distance formula, find the distance between P and Q. So these are the some simple steps.